Hi everyone, I am Shahan Laik. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a very important video because in this video I will be talking about different IPCs which are very important for you for the next exam or NEET PG exam, whatever it will happen to you. So because this is a mnemonic video, so it will be very useful to you how to remember, because we always get confused between different IPCs which are very important, and many question comes from this IPC section of forensic medicine. So let us study about different IPC with the help of mnemonic. Okay, first is we have 84, IPC 84. So that this can be understood by that this is for insane. Okay, this is for insane. So when someone kills another person unknowingly, that is known as insane. That person is insane. So a person who is insane, for him 8 and half of 8 is 4, half of 8, that is 4, is same. So you can remember that 8 is not equal to 4, but for an insane person, half of 8, that is 4, is same as 8. So 8, 4. You can remember 8 and half of it is 4. So in this way you can remember it is for the insane person. Next IPC which we will be discussing is 191. So this is for the false evidence. This is for false evidence. So when someone has a false evidence to prove, that is known as 191. You can remember this with the help of this, that you can see these are the two friends, they are one, and they are giving a false evidence against 9. So 1 and another person was 1. So these two one are friends. Okay, the first one and the second one, the last one, these two ones are friends. They are actually, they want to give a false evidence against 9. So this is 191, 1 on both sides. This we can remember it is for false evidence. False evidence, when there is two same number 1, two same 1, and in the middle there is 9, then we can give it is a false evidence. Okay, now let us move to the next one, but before that let me erase this for you so that you can so that I can write it down, the next important IPC section. Okay, the next important IPC section is 197. 197 actually means issuing fake certificate. Fake. So how can we remember that this is issuing fake certificate? So suppose there is a doctor who is issuing a very fake certificate. You can remember by this. If you take the 7, if you take the 7 of this 7, and if you take this 7 and if you just make a dotted line, you can understand that this is a certificate. This is a certificate. So this is actually a fake certificate. So this is actually a fake certificate. Okay, you can remember by the 7 numeral. You can remember by the 7 numeral. So issue fake certificate is very important. So you can remember issue fake certificate, which is very important. So if 7 is there, so you can understand that this is issuing fake certificate. Okay, now let us go to the next one, which is very important for you, that is 204. Okay, before that let me erase this one, and next we will go to another important IPC, that is 204. So how can we remember 204? 204 actually means, let me write it down, destroying evidence. So destroying evidence, that is equal to 204. So suppose you can remember by this picture, suppose this is a paper which has been torn. So this is the paper which has been torn. It has some evidence written here. Can you understand that this is a paper which is torn from between? So that is torn. Now if I put a 4 here, can you see this is a 4 from this side? From this side, if you watch, this is your eye, okay? From this side, if you are watching, then you can get a 4. So this 4, 204s, so you can remember 204 means 4 means actually destroying. So destroying of the evidence is 204. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Before that, let me erase it down for you, and let us go to the next important IPC, which is very, very important and very common for the entrance examination, that is 304. There are two 304. One is 304A, another is 304B. 304A and 304B. Both are very, very important. So in case of 304A, let me start with 304B first. B actually means bride. B means bride here. So 304B is bride. So it is for the dowry death, okay, for dowry death. So you know dowry is related with bride, so B. So we can understand 304B is for bride, is for dowry death. And 304A, A means, you can remember A as A class citizen. A class citizen, you know A class citizen. Who is A class citizen? Who is a very good profession, A class profession? You can remember A class profession, okay, A class profession. So who is A class profession? Doctor. So you can remember this is about doctor. This is about doctor. So this is actually due to death due to negligence. This is actually death. This is due to death due to negligence. Due to negligence by a doctor. So that is why I told you about doc, okay, about A. So you can remember these two, 304A and 304B. B means bride, so it is related with dowry death, and A means A class profession. A class profession, so doctor, but he is doing something wrong, that is because of him death has occurred because of his negligence. So death due to negligence, generally by a doctor. So 304A and B is completed. Now let us go to the next one, next IPC, which is also very, very common and very always asked in the examination. But before that, let me erase it down for you. Okay, now let me erase it completely. Okay, now the next is very, very important, which is 312 and 313. These are the two ones. So one is 312, another is 313. So in 312, concentrate on this one. So you have 1, you have 2. Suppose 1 and 2 are the parents. So if 1 is a parent and another 2 is a parent, then what will be the baby? The baby will be 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can remember where there is 3, that the parents and the baby is involved. The parents, 1, 2 is the parents and the 3 is the baby. So when 3 are involved, then that is abortion. So I'm talking about the baby. So when baby is involved, then it is about abortion. Abortion, you can remember abortion of the baby. So you can remember 1 and 2 are the parents and 3 is the baby. So abortion, it is related with abortion. And in 313, you can remember that this is actually causing miscarriage without the woman's consent. So this is causing miscarriage. This is about causing miscarriage. This is about causing miscarriage without the woman's consent. Without the woman's consent. So without the woman's consent, if miscarriage is caused, that is known as 303. So if you can differentiate between 313. So if you can differentiate between 312 and 313, you can easily understand this video. For 312, it is about abortion. So 312, that means 1 and 2 they are if parents, then 3 is there. So 1 2 3, you can remember this. This is for abortion. 3 is the baby of 1 and 2. If you remember like that, so for from baby you can remember it is abortion. And next is 313. So when 313 is there, then you can understand that this is the other one that is causing miscarriage without the woman's consent. This is consent. Okay, now if you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. We will make many more short clip for helping MBBS students across the globe, and this will help you in your NEET PG and also the DNB examination. And if you are giving INI CET, or if you are preparing for the next examination which is going to be launched from the next year 2022, then these videos will be really helpful for you. If you think this video helpful, please make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and write down in the comment section below if you like this video. Thank you so much, and please share our channel if you like our hard work. Bye bye.